Hello guys, so you welcome to another assignment in our Photoshop class. Okay, so in this particular tutorial I'm going to walk you through on how to design a very simple brochure like this. Okay, this is actually a brochure that I designed for a client. Okay, so we are going to learn how to design this, okay, or something like this, and also present it on a mock-up. Okay, very beautiful mock-up, like this one. Okay, all of these I'm going to give it to you for free. Okay, I'm going to give the mock-ups to you. Okay, I'm just going to give the mock-ups to you. So all you need to do is to pay attention to the video and do the same thing. All right, so what we will do now is for us to start designing by first designing this is actually an A4. So the resources and everything that you will need will be provided. I will give you everything that you need, the mockups, everything that you need. I'll give it to you in the video. Okay, so let's start. All right, so before we start, let's get into the Photoshop. So this is the first mockup, this is the second one, and this is the third one. I mean, this actually mockup comes with two. Okay, sometimes yes, two. This one and this one, they are all the same. I mean, you can even see they are all the same. Okay, so I will also give you the site that I got this free mockup brochure mockup from. All this, I'll give you the site that I got this particular mockup from, so that you can also use it to showcase. This is actually an exercise book or something. Okay, so you can also use it as an exercise book. Now, before you start any design that you place on a mockup, first you have to know the size. So if you are using maybe social media size like 1080 by 1080, probably it cannot fit this particular mockup. Okay, so you have to make sure that your size for the mockup is accurate. Okay, so we have to open the mockup. All right, now since this is an A4, so straightforward, you can come to the file here and go to the new. Okay, but because it is an A4, so you can just open a new document with a size of A4 and then you design. Okay, but I'm going to make it so simple for you. So we are going to use the mockup size to do that. All right, so what we do is that let's go through the mockup. Now the first one is trying to tell us that it's a contrast, which means that that is not where our mockup is going to be placed. Okay, so when you open any mockup simply means something that we can use. I said it in our class that mockup is something that you use to showcase your work, to tell the client how the work will be in a real world. So this is to tell us this particular one, the one that they have written open, it means that it is for the design which is open one. And then we have the back. Okay, so you could see the back one, and we have the closed. Okay, so just open any of them. So let's open the back. All right, now when you open the back, they are all in group, so just open either the back or the close. So let's open the back. Now once we open the back, we will see design. Okay, we will see design. So let's open the design, and then we will see back and then cover. Okay, so our focus is going to be on the cover, that is the front page. Okay, so let's open the cover, which is the front page. Let's open it. So we are going to open this smart object thumbnail. Okay, smart object. So double click here, and it's going to open like this for you. Very simple. So this is the actual size we are going to do. So when you are done with your design, whatever that you do here, and then you close it or you save it, is going to affect, or is going to show here for you in the mockup. Okay, so let's open it. So this is it. So you see they have written A4. Okay, so we are going to close the eye. So this is what we are going to do to design our work. I hope you get it. All right, so let's start with our design.